a two-hand drop. Two-hand drop. And then, and pull tight.
You two have the same shoes on.
Make a loop, but it has to be over by the foot because it won't work.
Shoes that have match.
And then you put.
These. Actually, do a pull-up right here.
Oh, you're watching?
Pull-up right here. This pull-up right here. You want to pull-up like this?
Never mind, you don't have to learn by now. Since you don't get it. After you learn how to tie your shoes, I'll let you play Mario with me.
Like this.